Hi guys, welcome back to my channel This Time Blush. My name is Muskan. For all the people who are new here and for all the people who already know me, welcome back. By the way, a big thank you for the 8 lakh subscribers. I am extremely happy and I'm extremely grateful for you guys, and I love you, and thank you so much, so much for making all my dreams come true. I love you, I love you so much guys. But today's video is not about that. Today's video is actually skincare, and so a lot of you guys already know about Korean skincare. It's like a long process, and I am a very lazy person. I've never really tried Korean skincare before this, but then the Face Shop sent me their PR package with all of these products from their Calendula range that they recently came out with, and it was a range that helped with calming, it helped with soothing the skin, and it helped with everything. It was for dry skin, it was sensitive skin, and it was for younger skin. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try it. And also my skin is crazy these days. I think it's changing its quality. It was dry, but now it's come into combination. I really don't know what's happening to my skin. Plus there has been some kidney problems, and plus there's been some hormonal problems that have been coming up on my face, and I have all this acne that I cannot seem to control. So because this range claimed to help a lot with sensitive skin and irritation, I decided to use it. I am going to review the Calendar range, also talk about Korean skincare, and let's see if it worked for me. Yeah, let's just get started. I am really sorry, that was a very vague intro. I feel like I have camera anxiety. Like whenever I don't make a video for a long time and then I come and sit in front of the camera, I don't know how to talk like that. I don't know if that's a real thing or if you guys know what I mean, but it happens with me every time I don't shoot for a very long time and then I sit in front of the camera. I just don't know how to talk anymore. But anyway, if you want to know my thoughts on the Face Shop's Calendula range and Korean skincare, then please keep watching, and let's get started. So let's just talk about the entire range in like 1 minute. So the entire range is called the Calendula range, and they went with the hashtag Calm with Calendula. So the key feature here is to calm the skin down. Okay, so the target consumer is early 20s or even late teens, which is exactly me. I just turned 21 a few months back, so I am an early 20 person. So it targets audience like me who also have sensitive skin, who are going through skin issues that mainly climate changes cause. And if you are somebody whose skin is irritated or sensitive, or it turns red, and if you want something to calm it down, this range is going to be perfect for you. Also, I just want to give you a disclaimer that these products were sent to me by the Face Shop, but they haven't paid me in any way to say good things about them. This is my review of them. I've genuinely been using these products for the last 2 weeks, and I think I have an opinion about them. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. They're not paying me. This video is not sponsored by them. They did send me the product to try them out, so I decided to make a video for you guys. I have tried all of these products step by step for the last 2 weeks or so I'm just gonna go and get into the review of that. I'm gonna review each product while I am showing you how I use it. Okay, so the first thing in the range is the Calendula Essential Moisture Toner, and first of all, love the packaging. It's simple, it's pretty, but it's glass, so beware if you are a clumsy person like me. If you drop it, it's going to break. But I really like the packaging. It's really nice and classy and chic. But coming back to the actual product, this is their toner. So you know that after you cleanse your face or after you wash your face, you're supposed to use a toner. I wasn't a firm believer of toners anyway, in a love-hate relationship with toners and how they work. But since I wanted to try the Korean skincare, I did try this toner, and you don't need a lot of it. If you don't believe in toners, you can use like 2 drops or 3 drops of it. That is what I used to do. So right after washing my face, I used to take it on a cotton pad and rub it on my skin. Okay, so this toner is over time going to work on your pores. It is going to work on your dry skin. It is extremely hydrating. Like, because it's a toner, because it's a liquid, it directly seeps into your skin and also takes away the dirt or the gunk that face wash wasn't able to. And so it's basically a very hydrating toner. If you are somebody who has dry skin, then I think this would be a really great toner for you. It calms the skin down. If you are somebody who uses a scrub or something that is harsh on your skin but you still use it because pollution these days and blackheads and whiteheads, this is going to immediately calm your skin down. Over regular use, this is also going to help you shrink your pores and get cleaner pores, and it is going to hydrate your skin, and it gives me a subtle glow, nothing too much, but it still hydrates my skin, and hydrated skin looks really dewy, and I love that. So I have really been enjoying this toner. Moving on to the next step, it's their serum, and it's called the Calendula Essential Moisture Serum. So now they call the entire range their Calm with Calendula range, and this is a very nice serum. It is not too thick and it is not too thin, but it is just the perfect consistency. Like, it blends into the skin as soon as you put it on, and I really like that about this serum. Plus, if you can see, it gives you that really nice glow as well, like instantly. I also like to use it after I'm done with my makeup. I like dab a little and it'll give me that nice natural glow. I really like that. The packaging is very luxurious again, so when you put it on, it feels like a luxury. Like, it does not feel like those cheap products. It feels really nice, and as you can see, it got absorbed into my skin really well, but it also made my skin very hydrated. Like, it makes it look so hydrated, like my skin just drank a glass of water, and I really like that about this serum. The key features are that it's mild moisturizing, it's not heavy on your skin, it has 10% calendula extracts and also herb complex, which essentially calms your skin down if you are somebody who has irritated and sensitive skin. Imagine if you got $1 every time I said calendula sensitive and irritated skin. All of us would be so rich right now. They say it's ideal for customers who are also in their early 20s, but I think this serum would work really well for people who are like mid 30s or even 40s, because it's just a very nice light soothing serum. So anyway, moving on to the third step, which has to be one of my favorite steps in the entire range. It's the Calendula Essential Moisture Emulsion. So I had never used an emulsion in my life before I started using this, and I didn't know how good this is. Like, I am absolutely in love with this emulsion. It's so light, yet it's so hydrating. At this step is when my skin really starts glowing, and you will see in the demo that just gives my skin such a nice, such a healthy glow. It just makes my skin feel plump, healthy, everything. This also has calendula. Obviously, the entire range is called the calendula range. On the website, it says a moisturizing, soothing emulsion that delivers comfortable rest and optimal moisture ratio to irritated skin. So I think these products work best when they are used together, because they work in the ratio, and I don't know all the math, but it has really worked for me. And this emulsion is so light, yet it is so hydrating. It's like, I can't explain it. My skin, whenever I put this on my skin, I feel so hydrated. Like, my skin literally thanks me, and I know that is something that you've already heard, but my skin loves this, and my skin and this emulsion are best friends right now. And talking about the two favorite products from the range, let's move on to the next product. The next product is their eye cream, and oh my god, this has to be my favorite product in the entire range. If I ever ran out of this product, I would buy like 3 just in case they decide to discontinue it, because I love it that much. So this over time will help you with your dark circles, but the key feature is nourishment and moisturizing and hydrating, and it does that so well. I like to apply this right before I put my makeup, or right before I put my concealer, right before going to sleep. It just gives my skin, it just gives my under eye such a nice hydrating feeling. It is so nice to use it. It's very moisturizing. I love this eye cream. I thought I wasn't going to like it, but I cannot do without this eye cream anymore. I have been using it 2 times every day, and I love it. It is not causing any problems, and they also claim that this is over time going to help you with your lines. So if you are somebody who's in their 30s or 40s, this eye cream is going to work for you. And also, it's not really expensive. I think the quality that you get in this jar is not what you pay for. Like, it's like the product is very affordable, but the quality that you get is Tatcha level. Like, the quality that you get is a high-end eye cream level. I really like it, and trust me, I have used so many eye creams out there, so many eye creams. I start liking them, but then eventually I just stop using them. But I haven't been able to put this down. Like, I literally wait the entire day to remove my makeup and put this eye cream on. The feeling is just so good. Like, you have to use it to know it. So if you have to buy one product from the entire range, it has to be this eye cream. I love it. I absolutely adore this eye cream, and I don't think I can say anything more about it. If you know me, you know that I don't use foundation on a daily basis, or even when I'm going out, I don't like to use foundation. Concealer just does it for me. So I just like to use this, and my concealer goes on so smoothly with the entire range. One thing that I've noticed the continuous use of this range is that my makeup blendability has gotten so much better. The product blends in so nicely. It makes my skin so healthy looking, and my makeup goes on perfectly, and I don't have to see any brush strokes. I don't see any patches. My makeup just goes on amazingly. It retails for 1220 rupees, but it is on sale right now on Nykaa. Finally, to the last step. It is their moisturizer. It's called the Calendula Essential Moisture Cream. Now, this is the thickest cream of them all. They are very light, they're very thin in their texture, so they blend in, and that your skin sucks them up really nicely. But this is quite thick, so if you have dry skin, this is going to work really well for you. So what this cream essentially does is it locks all the goodness of the entire range in. Every product here serves a different purpose, and this will lock all the good qualities of these products in your skin. It's going to be like a seal between your makeup and the pollution outside and your skin. It just locks everything, and I really like it. This is amazing for nighttime use, because then you don't worry about sweating a lot. So I really like to use it in the night. Rest of all the products I use them day and night, and I've really been liking this. But this I like for the nights more, because then I know I don't have to go out, or I'm not going to be sweating, and my skin needs the extra hydration in the night. So this can be a really good night cream. One thing that I don't agree with the Face Shop on this range is that it is for people in their early 20s. I think this range is really good for people who are in their 40s or 30s. I said my mom also has been trying out these products, and she loves some of them because they're just very simple and easy on the skin. There's nothing too much to get into here. You don't have to worry about your skin reacting to them, because they are meant to calm your irritation and all that. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also want to mention that our last video, Too Many Brothers for Raksha Bandhan, did so well. I am so grateful to you guys. I am planning to make a video separately talking about a little bit more about my personal life and my life update since I finished college and all that, and we made this video which was like a big blockbuster on my channel. So let me know in the comments down below if you'd be interested in something like that, and I will see you super soon in my next video. Bye.